How to track Ecom sales and analytics using Google Data Studio. First, go to Google Analytics website and log into your account. Then on Homepage, go to the Conversions report. Open up the Commerce report. Then click on Overview. Then you have all your e-commerce data in here, including product performance. You can also check out shopping behavior, checkout behavior, product performance, sales performance. Rather than go to Conversions report, you can go to Monetization. So monetization will give you an overview of your e-commerce performance. Total revenue, average order value, first-time purchases, coupon performance, all of that. You can also see in-app purchases if that's enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching.